Hi, welcome to my 3-minute video series on B2B sales and on digital marketing. In this video, we will discuss the questions you will need to ask in order to qualify the prospect. In an inbound sales situation, the buyer shows a lot of interest in the first meeting. However, in an outbound sales situation, the buyer begins showing some interest after a few reach outs. It's also fair to assume that all the people who show interests in the subsequent meetings are not the ones who can make a purchase within a shorter time. This could be because of multiple reasons such as need fitment, decision making capabilities, budgets, and timelines, to name a few. How do we find out whether the buyer is qualified or not? By just asking the right sets of questions. So first, we will have to find out the need fitment. So the questions to ask are: what is it that you would like to call out as an issue that you're facing right now? How have you been solving the same problem in the past, or has it come to surface only now? Who in your team will be affected the most because of this? Is there any specific method, technology, process you have in mind that you would like to utilize? Secondly, you will have to find out the impact and the timelines to decide. The questions you will have to ask are: is there any timeline that you would like to have the problem solved? What sort of an impact has this problem caused you? What do you think will happen if the issue is not solved by the timeline? Third, we will have to find out the decision making power. The questions you will have to ask are: how have you made a decision that was something closer to this purchase? Who in addition to you will be involved in such a decision making? Will they be attending our subsequent meetings, or will I have to meet them at some point in time, or will this just be you? Will it be possible for me to understand their success criteria out of this engagement? Can I speak with them at all? Fourth, we will have to find out the budget and the approvals allotted to this project. The questions that you will have to ask are: is this project budgeted? Have you taken this for approval? Have you been able to identify the loss you incur because of not solving this problem? Have you got the approval for the method, the technology, the process, the software also, or are you open to finding a new way to solving the same problem? So based on the indicative set of questions as listed above, you can come to a conclusion on whether the buyer is qualified to spend additional time and put your additional effort on those that you think are qualified. It is better to disqualify the buyer as early as you can, so that you don't end up wasting your time and effort on those unqualified ones. Connect with Scovelo Consulting either on the blog or on the social media channels and get the latest insights on B2B sales and on digital marketing. Excited to connect with you again on the next video or on the next blog. Thank you.